Hi, my name is Mark Holland and I'm excited to introduce you to Choose Health. We're bringing this offering to you after 3 months of quarantine, 4 consecutive months of triple-digit growth in the business, and a nerve-wracking haircut from my wife. We started Choose Health with the goal of simplifying healthcare. In September 2018, we sat down with 4 physicians, each with extensive experience in root cause medicine, to determine the most cost-effective and efficient way to answer the question, am I healthy on the inside? In healthcare, we tend to view people simply as sick or not sick, whereas in reality, health is a spectrum, with disease on one end and optimal physical performance on the other. At Choose Health, we help you discover your body's internal performance so you can find your own path towards optimal health. Here's our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Allan Farrell, to tell you a bit more about the product.
My name is Dr. Allan Farrell. I've spent over 15 years working with elite athletes to optimize their physical health, and I'm the Chief Medical Officer at Choose Health. You've probably heard it before, but if you don't measure it, how can you manage it? Well, the same is true for health, which is why we developed the Choose Health Kit. The Choose Health Kit tests the key markers of optimal health and physical performance. These internal markers have the largest impact on your ability to live a long, healthy life and prevent age-related disease. The Choose Health Kit is simple, affordable, and clinically accurate. All it takes is 10 minutes to collect your sample, then simply send your sample back to our third-party, nationally accredited lab and access your results directly from your mobile device in less than a week's time. Being healthy doesn't have to be hard, but it does have to be personal. We'll help you understand what your personal results mean and what you can do about them, so you can find your path towards optimal health.
We launched the Choose Health product in January of this year and have had 4 successive months of triple-digit growth between February and May, with strong and improving CPA and customer retention metrics. We've also received a handful of positive feedback from healthcare practitioners and are proud of our 4.5-star rating across Amazon and reviews.io. We have 3 primary distribution channels for the business today. Firstly, our direct-to-consumer business through our website choosehealth.io now has more than 250 active subscribers receiving regular health tests. Our Amazon business has grown 10x over the past 2 months, and on the B2B business front, we now have 55 physician partners offering Choose Health kits as remote testing options for their patients today. In reaction to the recent coronavirus pandemic, we found ourselves uniquely positioned to support healthcare practitioners on the front lines by providing clinically accurate testing solutions. In tandem with our lab partners, we've developed a COVID-19 antibody lab test with physician oversight and telemedicine support, which we launched at the end of April. We plan to use any funds raised through Republic to expand our software development team and to help us improve our product offering. Our key point of differentiation today is that we're building a truly personalized experience for the user. For example, we're in the process of giving people the ability to completely customize their kits based on their goals and mapping the results to actionable insights backed by science. We'll also use funds to scale out our direct-to-consumer efforts, media buying efficiencies, and to expand our healthcare practitioner network. Our mission is to help 1 million people improve at least one key marker of internal health, and we'd love to have you on this journey with us.